The other day I saw some guy who was trying to compare his lead grow light that he bought on eBay for 35 bucks or something to some fluorescents, and he was growing lettuce or something in a hydroponic tank. And the lettuce didn't do too good with his little Mickey Mouse grow light, and did a little better with the fluorescents. His conclusion was that LEDs aren't as good as fluorescents, which is really wrong. So I thought I would weigh in on that subject and show you what's going on. First of all, if you're rating a light by its lumens, these kind of lights, they're sending light everywhere. The light going up into this gray reflector is pretty much not coming back down. And of course the lumens from over here are not going to be shining on a plant over here. So if you got 5,700 lumens in these two tubes, over here you'd have to divide that by 10 or something, right? So that's suddenly only 570 lumens. Ooh, that's not much. But then they're going all over the place. Three-dimensional physics will tell you that only about 1/12 of the light is coming down in a equilateral triangle, you know. So divide that 570 by 12.5, and well, you're starting to get a really small number. Now it's much easier to just measure the lux or the par light if you have a par meter. I don't have a par meter at the moment. I'm planning on getting one. They're kind of expensive, especially in this country. But let's check out just lux. Let's say you're growing stuff maybe what, 6 inches away. That's about here. About here, right? 6 inches away. Yeah, I've got like maybe 5,000 lux. Yeah, that's only about 4% of sunlight. Sunlight being around 120,000 lux. You know, serious growers don't grow with fluorescent lights. They're okay for seedlings. Two bulbs is probably not enough. You want to line up like 4 fixtures or more to get some decent amount of light. Well, let's go look at an actual real LED grow light. A weak one, actually, because I have much stronger ones, but they're not in operation at the moment. We'll go look at one that's 5,700 lumens. It's not 65 watts though, it's only 40. A little bit more efficient. Okay, here I am in my seedling grow op. I've got a couple of LEDs here illuminating my lettuce, which is I planted at the beginning of March, which is really early here. What I'm going to do, turn off one of these LEDs here. Which one? I don't know. Let's just turn one of these off. And we'll measure the light from this one at about, say, 7 inches away. Now this light is also 5,700 lumens. It's not 65 watts, it's about 40 to 45, somewhere in there. So let's take a look how many lux we're getting from this guy. 7 inches, I'm overranged. Let's try again. Yeah, I hate these things. I'm going to rip that off, draw it off. Well, I've got 50,000 lux. That's about half sunlight. 50,000, not 3,000. You want sunlight? 120,000? Right there. Noonday sun. About 5-6 inches away. A little better than the fluorescents, eh? In case you were wondering.